this one Victron charger and this one. Well, actually I'm quite enjoy with these chargers, and I have several videos about them on my channel, about Bluetooth, convenient for managing them, etc. However, they have some, I think, huge problem. In the beginning, in my first review of them, it happened that I had a small battery, and it couldn't detect that it's bad, and my garage was full of smell and the battery was extremely hot. And now it happened again with that one. Yesterday I decided to test this winch before fishing. I put this to 1, tested, nothing works. Wow, what happened? So I tested, the battery was 8.7 volts. Why? Previously everything was okay, it was shut off. I was thinking maybe some leakage. Well, I don't know. The battery is not new. I used it in this board. Now I have 2 batteries there, and one of them also similar one, but it was okay for the winch. So I tested 8.7, okay, some problems. I put it on charging yesterday, and today when I come here, and guys, look what I see on the next day. I see that it's still in the bulk charge with 7 amperes, so it's already provided 58 amperes per hour to this is it, yeah, 54 60 amperes battery. Yeah, so it's extremely hot. All the box was hot. There is some sound. Yeah, so it doesn't understand. It's the problem of this charger somehow. It's the second time. It doesn't understand that the battery has a problem. It's not chargeable. It's continue charging, overheating this. It is a huge problem. And I believe it should be a software that can recognize it. It's quite simple in my opinion. Let's try to check the temperature. So in some places it's even 70 degrees Celsius, so it's extremely high. Probably it's even more because of this tool. Yeah. So as for the voltage, it's that one. I remind it was last for 16 hours. For some reason it detected this voltage at the beginning. Yeah, as I told, in general I enjoy these chargers, but they have a huge, I believe, safety risk about not understanding bad batteries. So they continue and continue charge them. So you have seen 70 degrees Celsius. Yeah, well, it's okay here, but if it's somewhere else in the property inside, it's a huge danger. And also I think it's bad if we have some gases coming out there. Yeah, so why? I hope guys from Victron will do something about it, because it's about software algorithm to detect the battery that supposed to be charged, and at least notify the user, or probably have a setting inside the app that will allow to shut down based on some algorithm of understanding that the battery is bad. Yeah, so in previous case I don't remember what was there. Actually no, I remember there was no current at all for a long time, but it still provide charging. Yeah, so why no current for a long time and still provide charging? Yeah, so in that case, well, I don't know, but 16 hours in bulk, maybe it's a sign of something wrong, or at least if I could have inside the app an option to say how big is my battery. For example, if I would say it is 60 amperes per hour, and probably I could configure, guys, I actually provide you an algorithm for free. So, and actually I could say that I never discharge my battery, say 30%. Then based on these two settings, the algorithm, the software could understand that 60 amperes, or was it 58, it's too much. 16 hours, it's too long, and it should shut down. Guys, it's a software issue. I hope you, Victron, can fix it. That's it. Bye. Okay, I'm waiting your comments about the temperature sensors. They do have a kind of that settings, like you can limit bulk time, charging bulk time. But, well, guys, it's supposed that you every time you think and calculate it, put it, so sometimes you can miss to put it right. And anyway, it's, well, first it's not that convenient as if you just configure the battery, but anyway, why there is nothing integrated, more smart? For example, when I've been using CTEK chargers for 16 years, I never overheated my battery. When the battery is bad, it always detects it. However, with Victron chargers, yeah, it's the second time when I have safety concern, and I cannot keep this charger as I explained here in my garage enclosed, or especially at home. Yeah, so it's quite dangerous. Why not implement something more smart? Well, okay, maybe through advanced settings, but actually it should be integrated. So it's a huge concern. Yeah, again, 16 years. CTEK, never. I don't promote CTEK, neither I promote Victron charger. I'm just talking about a safety issue. Let's try to prove it. So I have two CTEKs. I think that doesn't work well anymore, so I will try with the small one first. So it starts the charging. Yeah, we need to wait for some time and check if it will show the problem. Well, guys, look at this nice piece. Yeah, so it detected that the battery is bad. It is the red one, believe me. So it's detected on the cycle number 5. I don't remember what is this cycle. Later I actually decided to refresh in my mind the user manual and these stages of chargers, but I will get back to this at the end of the video. Now let's continue. It attempts to charge with the bulk charge, and the next mode, absorption charge and something else, and then it stopped on this mode and the battery is cold. So in case of Victron charger, it's tried on the bulk mode. It's try. So it's proved. Again, for me this proof not needed, because for 16 years, as I told, CTEK chargers always detected dead battery, problem with the battery. They never did fire, overheating, gases, nothing like that. So I don't understand how Victron, this big company with this technology, quite nice technologies, cannot do the same safety things like CTEK. Yeah, I don't promote CTEK, neither I promote, of course I don't promote Victron. Do I blame them for this? Yes, it's the second time. Guys, if everything is fine for you, I am happy for you. Probably you never had deal with dead batteries. Again, 16 years, a lot of different batteries. CTEK never did any issues with overheating gases or fire. So Victron I cannot trust, I cannot put inside the premises because I'm really scared about safety. So yeah, why Victron cannot do the same smart detection of the dead battery, I don't know. For example, here I'm started the project of solar panels. So I put the cables, and I was thinking to use Victron solutions for that. They have a lot of different stuff for this, but I'm really afraid to put Victron solar stuff, let's say, different kind of equipment inside my house with the batteries. Yeah. Yes, I decided to put voltmeter here to look at the voltage right now. So, but the most interesting, if there is a current, I will try to put ammeter without breaking the circuit. Otherwise, we will start charging cycle again. Guys, I was able to make this trick with 2 hands, so I didn't show you. We have 0 current. Yeah. First, on the open circuit, let's check the voltage, 8.3. Well, it starts the cycle again with 3.8 amperes, rated 3.8 amperes, and then it will cut the current again when it detects that the battery is dead. Well, let's now make a conclusion and a message for Victron. So, look, CTEK detected this dead battery on the stage 5. I was a little bit confused what means the constant current and constant voltage. Actually, it means no current, because you can see in compare with this, it's lower, this line, so no current. And actually, it's not a straight line, but this for the voltage. It means it tests that the battery can hold the charge, and the stage called analyze. Nice piece to test the battery here. Well, Victron for some reason doesn't have it. Probably it's assumed to be there inside, but I think it's not. But guys, not that is so interesting, because you have seen that the battery have been in the bulk charge, yeah? So in case of Victron, it's stuck in the bulk charge. Here we see the limit of maximum 20 hours of being in this bulk charge. One good point, the limit is integrated. The user don't need to care about it. In my opinion, it might be a little bit much, but for low current, maybe it is okay. Probably Victron also have some integrated limit, but I don't believe so. But guys, no, not that the most interesting. The most interesting is something that you haven't seen in this video, but I have seen in my 16 years experience, that I had this red battery, red light about that battery somewhere here, not here. And look at the user manual for CTEK. Here is the step to a soft start, where it tests the battery that it can accept charge. It is true that with this battery it passed it through this test and even through the bulk charge, and we come to here. Well, as I told, I have seen that battery in some cases also here. And probably some cases in the bulk charge. That I don't remember. But guys, again, the key point is that for 16 years when I used CTEK chargers, I didn't have any issues with fire, overheating, detecting dead battery, no matter at which stage. So with Victron charger, it is the second time, and it's a huge safety issue. Guys from Victron, you should do something with this. You should think about some algorithm of detection of this dead battery. Any kind of dead battery somewhere. Yeah. I do a decision for myself that with all these features like Bluetooth up, really convenient feature to see how much amperes hours I added to the battery. The power supply mode, really nice stuff. But with all these features, I will not buy a Victron anymore because safety is first. It is priority. If I need to drop a charger to unattended battery, I will drop a CTEK there. I plan to buy CTEK with probably higher current. Now I have 3.85 amperes, probably 7 amperes, and I think I will test because I have this nice battery now for the test. So guys, subscribe to see these tests. Of course, I could use a special equipment that I have for testing also chargers, but I use it when I design the charger. I don't want to do others' job, so it's their job, the designers of this charger, to test them, that they match specific regulations, and of course that they are safe. Guys from Victron, again and again, I tell you, please do something with this. It is not that difficult, actually, to detect the battery, problem with the battery somewhere early. And if not, then be more smart in the bulk charge. Yeah, well, that test, it might be a little bit late. It's good to have, of course, but the most important, don't be in the bulk charge that long with high current without understanding that the battery is dead. Well, I could give more ideas, but I think that's enough. So guys, make your own conclusions. Remember to like and subscribe. And thank you. Bye.